Polynomials can be denoted by writing one letter and inside the bracket writing the variable. Here x is a variable, so here inside bracket x is written. If y was your variable, then here should be y. For addition of polynomials, we are taking these two polynomials. Here also we are taking same polynomials, so that it will be easier for you to understand. At first we are adding fx, this and this gx polynomial. For this we have to write the given polynomial plus then another polynomial. Here for subtraction also same thing, given polynomial minus another polynomial. Then we have to open this bracket, we have open plus, we have open here. But in minus, in case of subtraction, we have to be careful here, because we have to multiply by minus sign here, and minus sign changes the remaining sign here. Here minus into plus becomes minus, because there is no any sign in front of 4, and we know if there is no any sign there, we have to assume plus sign. So minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus. But here plus into plus is plus, plus into plus is plus, plus into plus is plus. So writing this directly also does not make any difference in addition, but writing directly will make difference in this subtraction. And after this we have to arrange the like terms. Here this x cube does not have any other terms, so I have written this first. It is better to write higher power at first, then going on one by one decreasing. Here power 3 I have written, then power 2, then power 1, like that. And same in that side in subtraction also. So this is written, and there is no any other term for x cube. For x2 there is this term. For power 1 of x, here is this term, and another is this term. So these two are like terms here, and 3 and 8 are another like terms here. Now we have to add this like terms here. This and this are not like terms, so we cannot add this. So these two are written as it is, but these two are like terms, and for like terms we have to add their coefficient. Here coefficient is 2, here coefficient is 1, because here is no any number given, and as we have learned previously, if there is no any number given, coefficient is 1. So this 1 plus 2 is 3, and x is written only one time, and this 3 plus 8 is 11. So this is our answer. Here also we have arranged this like terms. First we have taken higher power, and this is only one term. There is no any term containing x cube again, and after that x square term containing x square is written, and there is no any other term containing x square, and here x is written, and another terms containing x is minus 2x, and this 3, then minus 8 is written. Here this is written as it is, because these two are unlike terms, or these two terms are not like terms, so we cannot add or subtract these two terms. So as it is, and these two are like terms. Now here we have to add or subtract. Here is plus x, here is minus x. So here is plus minus means we have to subtract. Always when there is plus and minus, we have to subtract. Coefficient, here coefficient is 2, here coefficient is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 we do not show in coefficient, and we have to write sign of that number which is greater. Here 2 is greater, and it has sign minus, so we have written here minus sign. And here plus minus, again here is also plus minus, so plus minus we have to subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5, and we have to write here that sign which number is greater. Here 8 is greater, so, and it has sign minus, so minus sign is written here. Now we are going to add gx plus fx. For this, first gx polynomial is written, then fx polynomial is written, then bracket is open here. As like here, there is no any difference in opening bracket, but in subtraction opening bracket makes difference because there is change of sign of this second polynomial due to subtraction here. Minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Then we have arranged terms like before, 4x cube, then this containing lower power than this 3 is 2, then containing x, this is 2x, this is x, then 8, then minus 3. Now this is written as it is because these two are unlike terms, and plus 2x and minus x. Here plus and minus sign is there, so plus minus we have to subtract, and 2 minus 1 is 1, and we do not write 1 like before here, and here 2 is greater number, so it has sign plus, and we have to write here plus sign. Here plus 8 minus 3, plus minus is there, so we have to subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5, and greater number is 8, it has plus sign, so here is plus sign. Here we have seen gx minus fx and fx minus gx is not same. Answer of these two is different. But here fx plus gx and gx plus fx, these two polynomials have same answer. So the answer of addition is called sum, and answer of this subtraction is called difference. So sum of fx plus gx and gx plus fx is same, but the difference of fx minus gx and gx minus fx is not same. For multiplication of polynomials, we are taking same two polynomials as before. Fx into gx is here, into is denoted by dot. We can write dot in place of into also. So this fx is written fx polynomial, and this is gx polynomial. Here we have to multiply this second polynomial by every terms of this first polynomial, like this term is multiplying this all polynomial, again this plus x is multiplying this all polynomial, again plus 3 is written here, this plus 3 is multiplying this all polynomial. We have to multiply coefficient with coefficient and variable with variable. 2 into 4 is 8, and when we multiply variable we have to add their powers. Here x into x power we have to add, 2 plus 3 is 5. We have to multiply coefficient, but we have to add powers of variables. Here 2 into 2 is 4, and x, here x power have 1, and x here power is 2, so 2 plus power 1 is 3, plus now 2 into 8, here is no any variable, it means this is coefficient. 2 into 8 is 16, and x square, plus here 1 is coefficient, so 1 into 4 is 4, and x have power 1, and here power is 3, so 1 plus 3 is 4, then plus into plus is plus, and 2 into 1 coefficient is 2, then this has power 1 and this has also power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and plus 8 into x is 8x here, then plus into plus is plus, 3 into 4 is 12 here x cube, because there is no any variable, so this x cube directly can be written here. Then plus into plus is plus, and 3 into 2 is 6, and x, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 8 is 24. After this we have to arrange the like terms. Here at first it is better to write variable containing highest power. Here variable containing highest power is this 8x5, so I have written here, and there is no any terms containing x power 5. After that lower power is x power 4 here, so I have written here, and there is no any other terms containing x power 4. Then we are writing term containing x power 3. Here is one term and here is another term, and then we are writing term containing power 2. This is one and another is here. Then this we have already written, then 8x, then 6x and 24. Now we have to add like terms. This and these are not like terms, so it is written as it is. These two are like terms, so we have to add their coefficient. 12 plus 4 is 16. Do not write this like 16 x power 6. This is wrong. Some students do like this. We have to only add their coefficient. 12 plus 4 is 16 and variable will be written as it is. Here 16 plus 2 is 18 and x square is written as it is. 8x plus 6x, 8 plus 6 is 14 and x is written as it is, and 24. This much is the product. The answer of multiplication is called product, and this is the product of this polynomial fx and gx.